Is it on? Are you serious? I'm not ready. This is going to be an epic basketball shot. I'm going to shoot from all the way back here. Okay? Here. Ugh! Alex is going to try to make an epic basketball shot from all the way over there. Alex, calm down! Alex, it was just a shot. You can try again. No, Alex, stop!